could it be? Tap, tap, crack it, 1, 2, 3. Nate, pop, it's a dinosaur, big and green. Stomping around, what a noisy machine. Surprise, surprise, what's inside? Let's open more, come on, let's ride. You got 2 little eggs, red and blue. Shake, 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 they're wiggling too. Nate, pop, out comes a monkey, silly and fast, jumping up high with a giggle and laugh. Surprise, surprise, jump so high, let's open more, don't be shy. The 3 little eggs, yellow and white, glowing softly in the morning light. Nate, pop, a car zooms out, vroom, vroom, go. It races and spins, whoa, what a show. Surprise, surprise, zoom, zoom, zoom. Open more eggs, make some room. You the 4 little eggs, pink and gray. What surprise will pop out today? Nate, pop, a birdie sings, tweet, 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 flapping her wings with a chirpy beat. Surprise, surprise, let's all sing. What will the next surprise egg bring? We love eggs, big and small. So many surprises, can't count them all. Colors, toys, and animals too. Open a surprise egg just for you.